Discover the top Python libraries essential for efficient API integration, enhancing your ability to build robust AI agents. Learn how to streamline API connections with tools that are crucial for modern software development.
Welcome to our exploration of the top 5 Python libraries that make API integration seamless and efficient. In today's digital landscape, APIs are the backbone of modern software development, enabling different software systems to communicate and share data effortlessly. Whether you're building AI agents or integrating third-party services, mastering API integration is essential. Python, renowned for its simplicity and versatility, offers a range of powerful libraries that can help you achieve these goals efficiently. Join us as we dive into these tools and see how they can transform your development workflow. Before we dive into the libraries, it's important to understand what API integration is all about. APIs, or application programming interfaces, are sets of rules that allow different software entities to communicate with each other. They're the invisible force that enables your favorite apps to talk to each other and share data seamlessly. From fetching weather data to processing payments, APIs play an integral role in almost every digital interaction. They can be public, allowing broad access, or private, restricted to specific users or systems. Security is a major concern, making it essential to use the right tools and libraries to manage API interactions securely. Python, with its rich ecosystem, provides numerous libraries that simplify these tasks, making it a favorite among developers for API integration.
One of the most popular libraries for handling HTTP requests in Python is requests. It's designed to be simple and elegant, allowing you to send HTTP/1.1 requests with ease. Whether you need to perform GET, POST, PUT, delete, or other HTTP methods, Request simplifies the process with its intuitive API. It automatically handles JSON encoding and decoding, making it a breeze to work with APIs that exchange data in JSON format. The library also provides robust error handling, allowing you to manage exceptions and retries gracefully. With its comprehensive documentation and widespread use, Requests is a go-to choice for developers looking to integrate APIs efficiently.
When it comes to performance, asynchronous programming can make a significant difference, and aiohttp is a powerful library that facilitates this in Python. aiohttp provides both an asynchronous HTTP client and server, allowing you to handle requests without blocking the execution of other operations. This non-blocking I/O is crucial for applications that require high concurrency and low latency. With support for WebSockets and data streaming, aiohttp is ideal for building real-time applications like chat servers or live data feeds. It integrates seamlessly with Python's asyncio library, making it a perfect choice for developers looking to boost the performance of their API integrations. Pandas is a powerful library that is widely used for data manipulation and analysis in Python. It provides data structures like data frames and series, which allow you to manipulate and analyze data with ease. Whether you're reading data from a CSV file, a JSON response from an API, or a SQL database, Pandas can handle it efficiently. It's particularly useful for cleaning and transforming data, making it a favorite among data scientists and engineers. With its vast array of functions for data manipulation, Pandas is an essential tool for any project that involves working with data extracted from APIs. In today's world, secure authentication is paramount, especially when dealing with sensitive data through APIs. oauthlib is a comprehensive library that supports OAuth 1 and 2, ensuring secure API authentication. It simplifies the process of generating and managing tokens, providing a secure way to authenticate your applications with third-party services. oauthlib is compatible with major OAuth providers, making it a versatile choice for developers. Whether you're building applications that require user authentication or secure data exchange, oauthlib provides the tools you need to implement robust security measures. Error handling is a critical aspect of API integration. APIs can fail for various reasons, such as network issues, server errors, or incorrect requests. Common errors include timeouts, 404, not found, and 500, server error. To ensure a smooth user experience, it's important to implement robust error handling strategies. Techniques like retry logic can help mitigate transient errors. Additionally, logging and monitoring errors are essential for identifying and resolving issues quickly. By handling errors gracefully, you can improve the reliability and user experience of your applications. Let's put these libraries into practice by building a simple weather app. We'll use APIs to fetch live weather data for a given location. The requests library will help us make HTTP requests to the weather API, while pandas will be used to handle and manipulate the JSON data we receive. For real-time updates, We'll integrate aiohttp to handle asynchronous data fetching. To ensure the security of our API keys, we'll leverage oauthlib. This real-world application showcases how these libraries can work together to build a functional and efficient application.
We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring the top Python libraries that make API integration seamless and efficient. From handling HTTP requests with requests to securing API interactions with oauthlib, these tools are essential for any developer looking to build robust applications. We encourage you to try these libraries in your own projects and see the difference they can make. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Share this video with others who might find it helpful, and stay tuned for more exciting content in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.